In this video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to remove unwanted things from images in seconds. So you upload an image, mark the bit you need removing, and download the fixed up image. So it's free to use, no sign up required. So before I continue, please like, subscribe and share. So the website we're going to be using today is this one here, magiceraser.io. So when you type in the URL here in your web browser, it'll come up with this page here. Click on drag image here or click to upload. So I'm just going to click here, find the image you want to edit, click on that, click on open. Now it's brought up this page. Now on this page, what I want to do is I want to remove the person here. So I just have this fantastic background with the scenery there. Now at the bottom here, you've got a few tools to play around with. The tool we're going to focus on today is this brush tool here, because that's the tool we need to go over the unwanted person here. So here in the scroll bar here, we choose the size of the brush. So I'll move it to the right to make it bigger like this. Move it to the left to make it smaller. So I'm going to keep it to the left to keep it small, make it more to the left like this. You can also click, zoom into the image. So if I click on this plus where it says zoom, I can zoom into the image and use the scroll bar again, move it to the right to zoom into the image, and then move it to the left to zoom out like this. So I'm going to do that. And now if you've made some changes, let's say, let me click on brush here, go over the person, and I wasn't happy with what I did, I can click on original here and it will go back to the original image there. So I'm going to click on brush, choose the bit, it already has selected the bits of the image I've already selected, and then I choose the rest of the image like this. Go through it very quickly like this, which I don't need, like that. And what you will have in a second is all your unwanted image selected like this. Once you're happy, click on this erase button here and the AI will take over now, and what you can see straight away in a few seconds, that unwanted image has disappeared. So you're left with this fantastic background. To download this image, click on download and it will download directly to your computer there. So that's a really quick and easy video showing you how to get rid of unwanted items in an image, so you're left with what you need. And the website is magiceraser.io. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.